Find the value of x in the diagram. To get x, we're first going to have to find the degree measure of this angle. And how do we do that? Well, we know that vertical angles are congruent, so that means that this angle is equal to this angle. And how do we get that angle? Well, in a triangle, there are a total of 180 degrees. So to get that angle, all we have to do is subtract 180 with 35 plus 65. 35 plus 65 is 100, and 180 minus 100 is 80. So the measure of this angle over here is 80 degrees. And vertical angles are congruent, so we go directly across from it, which is its vertical angle. That angle must also be 80 degrees. And these two angles have a degree measure of x. So we set up an equation. 80 plus x is equal to 180, because we're looking at triangle MST, and then we just solve for x from here. That's going to be 80 plus 2x is equal to 180, and then we subtract 80 on both sides. That's going to give us 2x is equal to 100, divide 2 on both sides, x is 50. And that is the answer.